Hi friends, day 76 of my 100-day ukulele challenge. Kind of funny thing, I've been posting a few little videos in the morning for my friends on Facebook with what I call a weather report. It's just a song that relates to the current weather. I've actually done that at home for quite some time, but I just posted them the last few days because I'm in quarantine and had nothing better to do. So had to chuckle. I practiced a new to me song. It's not a new song, written in 1970, but a new to me Creedence song, Who'll Stop the Rain, this morning, and decided to record that and post it as my weather report. And then I went and looked at my list, my 100-day ukulele challenge list, and realized that the theme for today is a song about rain. So I'm just going to use the video that I did this morning, kind of on the spur of the moment. I had only played the song once before I recorded this, but here is my song about rain. It's Creedence Clearwater Revival's Who'll Stop the Rain from 1970.
Long as I remember, the rain been coming down, clouds of mystery pouring, confusion on the ground. Good men through the ages, trying to find the sun. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? I went down Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm. Caught up in the fable, I watched the tower grow. 5-year plans and new deals, wrapped in golden chains. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Heard the singers playing, how we cheered for more. The crowd had rushed together, just trying to keep warm. Still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain?